Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make chicken tacos with a spicy Mexican cauliflower rice that everyone loves, including my kids who don't like cauliflower rice, in a wrap that has 35 calories per wrap. Want to know what they are? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay guys, so I have been gone for 2 weeks on vacation. It was very fun with my family, and so I apologize for not uploading for a couple weeks, but the family time was well worth the break. So today I wanted to give you an idea of doing 3 tacos for 300 calories, and it is so bursting with flavor. It's amazing. In fact, I made it the other night and forgot to film it. So I'm just gonna tell you how to make it. I'm so sorry I don't have an actual picture of it, but really you know how to make a taco, right? I'm just gonna tell you the ingredients, what to use, and then you just put them together, right? We can all make tacos. So the first thing I found were these egglife, made with cage-free eggs, not flour, everything bagel, egg white wraps. I found these at Sam's Club. I believe you can get them at Whole Foods and Aldi, I think someone said. They also have a Southwest version and a plain version, and those ones are 30 calories a piece. These ones are 35 calories, less than a carb, no saturated fat, and 6 grams of protein. This is some voodoo magic right here because it doesn't taste like what you would think an egg white would taste like. Like if I didn't know they were egg whites, I probably wouldn't know they were egg whites. Because I knew, I was like, oh yeah, I guess there's a eggy kind of flavor, but it is so subtle. Try these. The way that I did this was I have an electric skillet and I toasted them on each side in my electric skillet, and they get a little bit firmer. You can use these for wraps for whatever, just straight out of the fridge, but they warm up, they get firmer, they don't break apart, they hold salsa and ground chicken and all the stuff without breaking. I'm gonna make enchiladas with these. It's amazing. Get some of these. Try them, toast them up on a skillet, a non-stick skillet, or spray your skillet with olive oil spray or something like that. Okay, the other thing I've showed you before, but I used this cilantro lime crema that I get at Costco. Comes in a pack of 2. We use this on everything, but this really flavors up your tacos. And then I used ground chicken, 3 ounces of that per serving, and added some taco seasoning to it and just browned it up in the pan. The other thing I don't have in person, but I will insert a picture of it, is the spicy Mexican cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's. You guys, this stuff is so packed with flavor, and I put it out on my big, long electric skillet, or you could use a cast iron pan or whatever, but really cook it a long time until it gets little charred pieces on it. Just keep folding it over, stirring it up till it gets some charred pieces on, heated through. It is pretty spicy. I did not need any salsa on my tacos because it was pretty spicy, but mixed with the cilantro lime crema and a little bit of cheese. I use the light shredded Mexican blend from Trader Joe's as well, and only a 1/4 cup between all 3 of the tacos. You just need a tiny sprinkling. And all of those flavors, I actually made rice for my kids because they do not like cauliflower rice. And both of them wanted the cauliflower rice, and one of them actually went back and just had a side of the cauliflower rice because it's that good. It does not taste like cauliflower rice because it has 3 different kinds of peppers in it and jalapenos, and it's really, really good. I'm going immediately back to stock up on more of this stuff. So if you put all of these together, you can make 3 tacos that are about 100 calories a piece. So, and it was so filling because you're getting protein and all that cauliflower and these egg whites with protein. So you're getting tons of protein, 18 grams of protein just in the wraps. And then you're adding your chicken in there as well, and a little bit of cheese and all of your veggies in that cauliflower rice. So good. Try this out. I do not think you will be disappointed. It is low calorie, it is low carb, it is low fat. You would think it would taste horrible, but it really doesn't. It's amazing. So I hope you will check this out. If you found this video helpful or informative, give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who you think might be interested in trying out this recipe. I hope you'll give this one a go. It's actually pretty darn good. All right, short and sweet today. Just got back from vacation, first day of school for my kids. I'm back into the swing of things. We'll get a little more elaborate next week. Maybe. Stay tuned for next week's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.